Neal, what's going on?
Jake, what up, dog?
Same old, just wide open.
I'm actually working on our Raptor video, Mr. Gonzalez.
Oh, yeah.
Arizona. I'm working on that. And
boy.
Mason's 450 is finally done.
What?
It's sitting right there. Just brought it down.
Dude,
yeah. I want to show it to you.
So, I'll tell you what. I was talking to him the other day, and he's got a job that's pretty close by over here.
Mason does?
Yeah. You want to take it over there and we can test it out, the old work truck?
You want to break in? You want to break in Mason's King Ranch F-450 Western Reserve Edition? We'll go break it in for him.
I think we have to.
Hey, if you got a ditch to dig, we're gonna be digging some ditches in the ones today. Let's go. Let's go do it. Let's do it. F-450 Western Reserve Edition King Ranch. Look at this interior. You get so used to and tired of seeing all the black. A little bit of variation goes a long way. Jake, what we got going on here, man?
We got to dig this out. We're going to put a culvert right here. And I guess we're going to use the shovels right now because with tractors and all.
I had never. Okay, let's get the shovel. Try them toolboxes out.
Forgot the tool.
You gotta be kidding me! Dang it! So we're worked up about this truck. We're trying to do a little favor for Mason over here. We've held this truck hostage for so long, but we forgot our tools. So since we forgot it, let's review. So I'm not going to get to work in the J's today. Maybe tomorrow. Jake's got it turned around for us, and I think it's time for him to go ahead and showcase all of the great lights that we got on this truck. So Jake's gonna hop in and show us all of the lighting. But this was an F-450 King Ranch that Mason ordered with us a good while back. It showed up and allowed us to do all of our customizations throughout. Up front, that ranch hand grill, look at those LEDs, and he got the white clearance lights up top to go along with it. The Ford emblem up front that lights up, looking unbelievable, just so discreet. Can you imagine this bad boy rolling around Big A Road, my hometown, the stomping grounds, looking all mean and clean and white, lit up at nighttime. Look at that start up. Oh yeah, they do a blinker also, functional blinker, so great discreet but subtle lighting behind that ranch hand grill. A vibe you really haven't seen from us with all of the paint match, including the ranch hand. Look at the headlights, did black and white throughout. The whole front grill, star white, but left the horizontal high flow bars chrome. Custom side badges F-450 and King Ranch in star white and a gate black. And removing all that texture on your mirrors. Got custom switchbacks on the side, smoke, star white, recons up top in clear as well. This truck hits different, y'all. You got milling in the wheel as well. American Force Plague in 37, 12.5, 22, the Toyota Open Country MT tire. You know I'm big about that mud terrain. And the black and the milled in the wheel really works because we've got so much white and black to go along with it. I know you're seeing the big bad Western Reserve in the back, complimenting what Mason does to a T, and hanging out back behind our 2.5-inch ready lift level kit. We got Bilstein shocks with remote resis in the front. I need to do more informational videos on different shocks and their characteristics. The Bilstein 5100 handles and performs differently on a Super Duty than an F-150, obviously, but the same can be said for a Fox shock, so stay tuned for more on that. But the Bilstein 5100s for all-around daily driver, legit. The North Star service body bed, it is everything Mason needs, because Mason is a hard worker and he's always on the go and needing many and much storage application and area. And of course, you know, we did our thing with the Star White paint on it, but every single box has rock lights. Every single box is going to be full. I know from day one, Mason gets all of his equipment in these bad boys. Got him a UWS toolbox fuel tank combo, Star Whited up as well. Got a pump for him, gooseneck hitch. You have more storage area in the rear, rigid SRQ lights out back, Star White. You know how we do. Now, got this from Mike South for Roland S. He says a North Star bed. Sold a North Star bed many times back in the day. Dealt with Mike with great results as well. And even have a great long history with Mason also, y'all. So this is a truly special build overall, just because of the people involved, but the truck, no doubt. And the King Ranch interior, as you saw, so stunning in appearance. And then you just throw the Western bed on there, and just gives it that rugged appeal that you just really don't see hardly ever. We've done the CM bed, we've done the Heron Holler bed, and now a North Star with our Western Reserve Edition package, F-450. We are not stopping. We got Wireless One airbags in the back because he tows a lot. I can't wait to see pictures from him of towing his multiple skid steers and hitting every job up in fashion, Willies fashion. We've got that going on, along with a train horn in the back to go along with it from Horn Blaster. Oh my God, dang, gummit. Oh, how did I fall for it? I created that. How did I fall for that? Dang it, Jake. So if you haven't been noticing, I know you've been noticing because y'all watching what we got going on the daily. Jake's been killing it with the accessory game, but this has been a long time process for him and Mason, and even Molly had multiple vehicles ordered. Was this the first one that showed up for them?
I know I got a 450 regular cab, 23 we're going to be doing similar.
Yep.
Another work truck for him. The man's got, 5 or 6 now. Ranch hands, forces, on Mason he rolls at the top. But
so me and Mason go way back, because back when I was selling, I sold him and his dad a regular cab F-350 with a service body bed on it, 7.3 diamond, and back in Livonia, and met Mason. He was just a youngin'. He's still a youngin'.
Yeah,
but
baby boy.
Yeah, but he's been grinding, working hard, and that's just the biggest thing I want everybody that watches these videos. Like, if you grind and you work hard for an extended period of time, like not just a month or a year or 3 years or 5 years, if you consistently grind, you can have big boy Western Reserve truck like this. This truck is unbelievable. I know he's been patiently waiting, but worth the wait. This truck is incredible. It's going to be a showstopper. It may stop the work, Mason. It may stop the job, because you pull up on the job in this, y'all going to be talking about the truck with all you new customers all the time for a while. But congratulations, and just the full circle is like I look at this. This is a full circle evolution of sold you back in the day. You've matured, grew up as a young man, been successful, and this is the next phase, and you're still including us here at Akins and Wild Willies. Jake's taking great care of you throughout the whole process. We just appreciate you, and know we got many more to come. Maybe a Bronco. I know we got more stuff, mate. I know we got more stuff.
I got her, Molly, his wife, a King Ranch Expedition that we ordered, I don't know, 2 or 3 months ago. It's actually here. Trying to get everything squared away on that, so we can, hour ride or give or take whatever it is over at Lake Hartwell. Try to do everything one little time, make it easy on them. And
if we want to go next level, Mason, the next step is we get us a custom, your trailer that you pull your skid steers with. We paint that bad boy white. We throw some forces on the trailer, or you give me that John Deere and we just paint that bad boy up. Something. There's always something we can improve on. So I'm thinking a matching trailer, a matching custom painted trailer.
He already told me that he was wanting a white trailer to go with it.
I'm telling you, dude, that's the next step, y'all. So stay tuned for more from Mason Tucker and Lake Hartwell.
Lake Hartwell Land Management. If y'all need any grading, mulching, he's got dump trucks, he's got it all. Whatever you need, see my boy Mason Tucker, Lake Hartwell Land Management.
That's right. And F-450 Western Reserve Editions, we keep dropping them like diamonds.
Oh, yeah.
We got another one coming, Brad Kennedy. Jake sold that one too. So we got many more to come. The biggest thing is variations and variety. We've already showed you 3 different beds, and we can dive into this bed company and do their multiple plethora of beds throughout each segment too. So the right bed for you makes the perfect package at Wild Willies. So until next time, me and Jake will catch y'all later.
Peace.